Alors, ce sera Dr. Sachin maintenant. Alors, il écoute très patiemment. Sachin, je vais te présenter parce que tu parles avec nous la première fois. Alors, quelques mots. Sachin veut dire, son nom lui-même veut dire, je l'ai dit la dernière fois, Sach, ça veut dire la vérité intérieure. Il est très véridique à l'intérieur. Et j'ai été très proche avec lui dans plusieurs activités pour les programmes. Et je le connais, c'est un ami et il est un conseiller et vous l'avez peut-être vu à la télévision. Alors, à différentes chaînes indiennes, c'est l'âme et il a, c'est pas la Gita, Gita. Il y a, il y a beaucoup, c'est un coordonnateur international. Il a eu beaucoup de prix de Mahatma Gandhi, Maharashtra. Il est un coordonnateur avec le Vyasa. Alors, c'est le groupe qui prépare. Alors, il est aussi un secrétaire trésorier. Et ça fait près de 30 ans maintenant qu'il est médecin. Il a écrit quelques livres. Il a eu aussi, chez Rotary, il a eu des prix. Alors, voici le poème. Écoutez, il y a 10 lignes. Sachin, le nom de Sachin veut dire qu'il est vrai de l'intérieur et pour cela, il a beaucoup de gratitude pour le divin. Ses services sont très fructueux, ses services médicaux. Il a beaucoup de louanges et il y en a beaucoup, sont nombreuses. Sa personnalité est très humble et joyeuse, ce qui aide les âmes d'être en sa compagnie, de ne pas avoir peur. Il nous rappelle toujours que sur le chemin spirituel, on doit faire attention pour que Maya ne nous rende honteux. Aujourd'hui, va nous donner des astuces pour ne pas être stressé et faire une vie qui est qui a beaucoup de succès. Alors, c'est ce qu'il fait lui-même. Donc, maintenant, il va nous parler de ses astuces. Om Shanti et bonsoir. Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Oui, oui, on t'entend très clairement. Combien de temps j'ai? J'ai 1 heure? Est-ce que j'ai 1 heure? Oui. Alors, préparer son... Merci. C'est quelque chose de très sérieux. Je dois vraiment vous féliciter. Vous faites une belle job. C'est facile de commencer un projet, mais de le maintenir, c'est très, très difficile. Alors, si vous n'êtes pas en relation avec Dieu, que vous ne voulez pas, on ne peut pas faire les choses. Plusieurs groupes ont essayé de faire des groupes sur les valeurs ou sur les vertus, mais ils n'arrivent pas à le maintenir. Et vous le réussissez. Bonjour, aujourd'hui, je crois que c'est le 60e anniversaire. Et c'est parce que vous êtes connecté avec la famille. C'est la première fois que j'écoute et je suis présent. Mais je sens que Vyasa est très très impliqué. Alors, félicitations à toute l'équipe. Alors, on s'excuse, il y a des petits problèmes techniques, là, mais on devrait pouvoir régler ça dans un instant.
Two corrections. One, Dr. Manoj, I never knew that you have assembled those words very nicely, which are not.
Alors, merci, Dr. Manoj, pour le beau petit poème. Je ne te savais pas poète. Vraiment désolée, il y a de la difficulté. Ça fait 27 ans maintenant que je suis médecin et dit que je suis senior avec cette idée de senior parce que
Baba has said even 7-day child can go ahead of 25 years. So
alors, il n'est pas à l'aise avec l'idée de senior.
practicing spirituality with
Mais je pratique la spiritualité depuis 26-27 ans.
Actually, your voice is really cutting a lot. We just can't understand what you're saying. So, can you do one thing? Maybe you can just switch off the video and then we'll try it. Because I think the bandwidth is poor inside the closed room, looks like that. Yeah, so just try it with the video off. Yeah.
So
On
now,
va faire un petit essai. Alors, ça, maintenant, la voix est très claire. La voix est beaucoup meilleure. Alors, on devrait pouvoir vous traduire ce qu'il nous dit assez rapidement.
Suna, suna.
आधा सुना समझ में नहीं आया
see, I was listening to all your presentations. Shruti was doing something very nice.
Alors, j'ai entendu toutes les présentations. Toutes les gens ont partagé, même Shruti.
Sushma Didi and Chandrakala Didi, they have also done a very nice thing. मुझे ऐसे लगता है, my personal opinion that this truthfulness series can go quite long. There are certain churnings which I have done in the train. I was yesterday in Gujarat. Now I am in
J'étais en Gujarat.
which is South Kashi, they call it.
Ça s'appelle au sud de Kashi, où il y a un Mahalakshmi, il y a un temple. Alors, la première recommandation, on ne comprend pas du tout ce qu'il dit. Number one is our means, do we have to stick to the truthfulness all the time? Alors, est-ce qu'on doit toujours dire la vérité? Numéro 1. Should we truth all the time or we can lie at some time? Est-ce qu'on doit toujours dire la vérité ou est-ce que c'est possible de mentir parfois? Mentir parfois. Alors, on parle dans la médecine, chez les médecins ou encore une fois dans la vie. But this is what and you have given your answers. I was looking at some of the examples. Et parfois j'écoutais vos réponses. Because the so-called truth is different people. La vérité peut être différente pour tous. Et si on comprend la connaissance de Baba, et dit dans les
It's no
Murlis,
one's fault. It's no
ce n'est
one's
pas
fault.
c'est pas la faute de
Everyone's life is
personne,
different.
toutes les règles de
So
chacun est
we come
différent.
to a point where Sushma Didi has used a word, and we also use in many of our session, that all the time we have a choice.
On a toujours le
We have
choix
the power of choice whether to be truthful or not truthful.
de
And
dire la
in
vérité ou
certain
pas.
cases, everyone, including BKs, some of the example I know I am going to share with you, they make a choice to be not truthful. Now, why that choice is bad? And is it right or wrong? Who is right? The person who speaks truth,
Qui est vrai? Est-ce que la personne qui dit la vérité,
right?
la personne qui ne dit pas la vérité est vraie?
Come during the workshop on with Laukik people in the world.
Avec les gens lokiques dans le monde.
The conclusion was at the
La
end of workshop,
conclusion dans
everyone
l'atelier
said that we have decided to
que nous
live
avons
with
décidé
truthfulness in
de vivre
percentage, not all
avec
the
la
time. So we
vérité.
have a choice. It's a
Donc, on a
decision
toujours
to
le
live a
choix
life with truthfulness or not. See,
de
here
vivre la vérité ou pas.
telling you the truthfulness what is, because Baba has given beautiful definition of truthfulness. I think there is nothing beyond that. We all Baba children, we know the Murlis on the power of truth or the
On voit les Murlis sur le pouvoir de la vérité.
I am not comfortable with English words because they do not convey the proper meaning. According to me, this is my personal opinion. But what Baba has said about the truth is to know yourself as true imperishable soul. That is one truth. The second is to
Alors, une vérité, c'est de voir que l'on est l'âme. Et la deuxième partie, c'est de voir Dieu tel qu'il est, voir le Père quand il est vrai, qu'il est l'être suprême et que
feel truthful means speaking truth only. That is only part of it. Speaking truth
parler de
is
la
only part
vérité,
of it, but living at these three levels which Baba has said. In Hindi, they say, I may not be good at translating. Maybe those who are making notes, they can put it in better English words. स्वयं को जो है जैसा है वैसे जानना मानना और चलना. Number two, Baba said in Hindi, बाप जो है जैसा है वैसे जानना मानना और चलना. Complete drama जो है जैसा है वैसे जानना मानना और चलना. So knowing the self, knowing the God, and knowing the drama, and making the choice
self,
when on the path of
l'âme,
spirituality
Dieu et le
and
drama, la
truthfulness.
vie.
So when this
Alors,
definition is
croire
there,
en les trois.
I
Quand cette
have a
définition est là,
margin of being flexible while practicing
peut-être une
the
petite
supreme
marge,
truthfulness. I will give an example, a very common example.
un
Now,
exemple.
we are traveling many times from Mumbai. I stay in Mumbai, from Mumbai to Madhuban.
Je suis à Mumbai et je vais à
We
Madhuban.
do not get confirm ticket, railway ticket. Railway is much comfortable than flight because flight goes to Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad, we have to take again book a cab.
Et quand on prend,
So we prefer railways. And when I travel by railway,
on préfère prendre le train parce que sinon, si on prend l'avion, on doit passer par Ahmedabad et ensuite on doit prendre un taxi.
he wants money. He needs money. Without money, he won't give us a seat. When I give him money or so-called bribe, I will get a seat.
Et quand je lui donne un pot de vin, je vais avoir un siège.
Money to get the seat.
Alors, il y a des gens qui choisissent de donner de l'argent en échange d'un siège et ce serait quelque chose de possible.
Happening every day.
Et cela arrive tous les jours
Because I am a frequent traveler.
parce que je suis
This is
un
number one.
voyageur
Number one.
fréquent.
Number two,
Et une autre situation
income tax.
pour les
We all
taxes,
know that we are staying in a particular
les rapports pour
country.
les impôts. On reste tous dans des
And
pays
there are lots
différents
of
Il y a la loi de l'impôt
countries are different.
et dans
In
tous les
India,
pays, c'est différent.
but I do not know how many of Baba children they speak to the value of truthfulness and they do not share the truth about
Mais ils ne
their
peuvent
inner
pas
being, how the
partager
mind
la
is.
vérité.
And at that time, they are showing certain bills which are not there. They are created just to save Baba child.
Ils disent
So
juste qu'ils sont un enfant de Baba, mais ils
this is
n'agissent pas comme
where
des enfants de Baba.
no these questions they come to me. That's why I need to answer because when I say truthfulness, तो truthfulness में हमको ये challenges आते हैं. What I'm saying is these are the challenges which I face about integrity, determination, courage,
Ce sont les
clarity, all
défis
these areas. So I feel
auxquels je dois faire face.
just Manoj bhai has shared
Mais comme
with me
Manoj
that
l'a dit,
this talk is known more for non-BKs. No, this is again a perspective. I
c'est
feel
une
what Baba
perspective.
has given us, that is the only truth. That is my belief. But yesterday I was
Baba,
in
ce
Gujarat
que Baba nous
and
dit,
I
c'est la
was
vérité,
sharing a
mais
point
on a,
with ISKCON person. He believes in Krishna. We
il
believe in
croit en
Shiv Baba.
Krishna. Et
So
nous, on
what I
croit en
believe is
Shiv
what Shiv
Baba.
Baba says is truth, and he says that what
Ce que
Krishna says
Krishna
is true.
dit,
Krishna
c'est
is God
vrai.
for him. For me, Shiv Baba is Almighty.
Pour moi,
So
Shiv
this is the
Baba, c'est
point is
l'autorité
given.
toute puissante.
So going with Baba Srimad, if
Et
you
être
want
avec
to go
la Srimad de
with Baba
Baba,
Srimad, then first three things:
il y a trois choses.
realizing yourself
Je
as
suis une âme,
imperishable soul is one.
je suis
Realizing
une
God
âme
as who He is second, and
éternelle,
third is drama.
c'est
So
être Dieu et c'est le drama.
I will share one story from Mahabharata, which people, when they take workshop on truthfulness, this story comes again and again. I don't know how many of you have heard about this story. This story is about killing Dronacharya. Dronacharya was the biggest obstacle for Pandavas to win, and it was difficult for Pandavas to beat him. So Sri Krishna says, goes to the Dharmaraj and ask him
Il
to
va
tell.
voir le Dharamraj
In
et
Sanskrit,
il
he
dit,
says, Ashwathama Hata, Narova Kunjarova Kunjarova Narova. The meaning of this is the son of Dronacharya is Ashwathama and he is dead. But
est le fils
his
de
elephant, because the name
Acharya.
of the elephant is Ashwathama, and one of the name of son is Ashwathama, and elephant is also Ashwathama. So what Krishna tells Dharmaraj, who never lied throughout his life, because of his power of truth, it is said in scripture.
Grâce à son pouvoir de vérité, Dharamraj n'a jamais menti.
2 inches of the ground. So that was the power of truth. That truth is a
Le
power.
pouvoir de vérité, c'est un pouvoir.
He said, I cannot lie.
Il
It's
dit,
a
je ne peux
lie,
pas,
according to Dharmaraj. But then Krishna says,
selon
I
Dharamraj,
don't
c'est
tell
un
you
mensonge,
to say
mais
lie.
Krishna
I'm
dit,
just
je ne
telling
vous dis
you
pas de
that
mentir.
this statement is you speak loudly that Ashwathama Hata. Ashwathama has died, but whether he was a human being or whether he was elephant, that I don't know. And with this statement, when Dharmaraj speaks, Dronacharya
Quand
believes because he knew that everyone can lie, but Dharmaraj cannot lie. Yudhishthir cannot lie. And with this power, with this statement, then he drops all his weapons and Pandavas kill him. So this is the story. It has two aspects. When
deux aspects. Quand Dharamraj
his
parle,
chariot comes on the ground, so he has come down from the power of truth in percentage. So
il vient
when even
son pouvoir de vérité,
lie,
mais
which
même
is not
si
direct, जो word हम ब्रह्मा कुमारीज में use करते हैं युक्ति युक्त विषय, we have to be युक्ति युक्त. योग युक्त becomes युक्ति युक्त.
Yukti Yukt, on doit être Yukti Yukt, donc avoir à donner le bon pouvoir au bon moment ou la bonne vertu au bon moment. Alors, si on est dans la conscience du corps, c'est le pouvoir de vérité, parce que à son pouvoir de vérité, il est toujours au-delà et a utilisé le bon pouvoir, et c'est comme ça qu'il est venu dans la conscience du corps. C'est une question que les gens disent régulièrement. Quel que soit l'atelier, maintenant je vais partager pourquoi les gens ne, s- ne, sa- ne suivent pas la vérité, ils ne sont pas l'incarnation, ils ne connaissent pas la connaissance. Et si on est sur le chemin de la pèlerinage de la vérité, c'est-à-dire qu'on sait qui on est, qui est Dieu et qui est Brahma. Bon, il lisait Mahatma Gandhi parce qu'il m'a beaucoup aidé dans mes expériences sur la vérité. La première histoire, c'est avec Gandhiji et Abraham Lincoln, qui est aussi qui a dit, je ne veux pas, même si tu me donnes beaucoup d'argent, parce que quand je vais essayer je vais devoir utiliser, je ne veux pas avoir ce conflit à l'intérieur de moi entre le vrai et le faux. Donc, je ne prendrai pas cette cause. Mais il y a aussi beaucoup d'autres qui ont vécu avec le pouvoir de la vérité. Et quand on est biqué, pourquoi on ne peut pas vivre à notre potentiel ultime?
From various level. So when you make this choice that whatever it comes, may what Dr. Ashok Mehta also mentioned, it requires courage.
On fait le choix. Ça prend du courage et de la foi pour rester en lien avec la vérité au jour le jour. Alors, courage et conviction. Et dans une multinationale, ils nous donnaient de l'argent pour voyager. Alors, au lieu de prendre, je pouvais prendre le taxi, mais je prenais le train parce que c'était pas cher. Mes collègues, ils prenaient aussi le train. Ils prenaient le train, mais ils réclamaient aussi. Chez les pharmaciens, c'est très régulier. Ils réclamaient aussi le taxi, mais ils prenaient le train parce que le train, c'était pas cher. Mais je ne faisais pas ça parce que je prenais le train, mais je ne réclamais pas le taxi parce que ma conscience ne me le permettait pas. Encore l'industrie pharmaceutique.
he gave me a blank bill and the bill
Ah,
is
le
50
taxi
rupees.
me donnait un
And
coupon en
he
blanc.
said, Doctor Saab, you give me just 50 rupees extra. You can write any number you want. So I was shocked why he's doing like this because he said that everyone who comes here from the
Il dit tous
company,
ceux
they
qui
will
viennent
write
ici de la
500
compagnie,
separate. So
ils marquent
all the rest
500 ou
they keep
600.
for themselves.
Donc,
This
ce
is
qui
the daily
reste, ils le gardent
practice
pour eux et c'est une
in
pratique
industry.
courante.
But I said I
Encore
will
une
not
fois, dans l'industrie
go for
pharmaceutique,
those
elle dit, je ne peux pas faire ça.
activities. I will not be comfortable with myself.
Je ne serai pas
So such a
confortable.
temptation. Why I'm sharing with you this?
Pourquoi je vous parle de tout ça? C'est parce qu'il y a beaucoup de tentations, Maya met beaucoup de pression pour qu'on s'éloigne du pouvoir de la vérité. Et c'est la tentation qui nous
मुझे ऐसा लगता है if you want to practice truthfulness as you
nous pousse
rightly
à faire le mauvais choix. Si on veut vraiment utiliser la vérité,
I feel if you are aware at all the time about your true nature,
si vous êtes toujours conscient de votre véritable nature
that the moment
et que vous savez que au moment
away from your soul consciousness
où
of
que
the
vous vous
child of
retirez
God,
de
of
la
great
conscience
consciousness
de
in
l'âme de
Gurmukhi
l'âme de
Aadhar
Dieu,
Aadhar
de
Murth
l'enfant
and
de Dieu,
Udhar Murth, you are the one who is Bhagya Vidhata. So if you go down from that level of consciousness,
si vous descendez de votre niveau de conscience de l'âme,
where Dharmaraj,
alors Dharamraj,
he did not lie, but he did not speak
Dharamraj
truth also.
ne peut
Is
pas mentir, mais
with
il ne dit
this
pas la
even
vérité non plus.
percentage of loss is there in your truthfulness.
Et le même
You
le
come to the ground
pourcentage.
or you come to the level of body consciousness.
Alors, si on
So
vient
मुझे ऐसा लगता है
complètement
if you want to become embodiment of truthfulness, number one, you should have or one should have full faith
on
in the
devrait
power
avoir
of
la
truth
confiance complète dans le pouvoir
rather than
de la
using the word
vérité.
truthfulness, I will say powerfulness.
Alors, au
Truth
lieu, je
is
dirais le
power.
puissant. La vérité, c'est la
You know, these
puissance,
two
c'est la
words come
force.
Satchitanand Sarup and Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Truth is power.
La
So
vérité, c'est le pouvoir.
my experience is
Alors, mon expérience,
anything which makes you weak at any point of your life,
qui nous rend faibles à n'importe quel
anything which
moment de
makes
notre
you
vie,
weak at any point of your life, you have gone away from the state of truthfulness.
cela
That's
nous
as simple as
éloigne,
this.
cela nous
Because
éloigne
truth
de
is
la
power.
vérité.
When you are not feeling powerful, you are
Si
feeling
on
weak means
on
you
ne
are
se
not
sent
in
pas
the
puissant
stage
ou
of
fort,
power.
même si on n'est pas dans ce niveau
I feel
du pouvoir,
motivated by the life of Brahma Baba.
j'aime
One
être
story
motivée
I
par la
don't know
vie
whether
de
you
Brahma
listened a lot
Baba.
about this story in the
Peut-être que vous
stories
avez
of
déjà entendu
Brahma
cette histoire.
Kumaris. Once there was a warrant for Brahma Baba and police came to pick up Brahma Baba, and there was this brother at the gate who saw that police had come to took Baba. So he used, now again
Il y
here
avait
is the
quelqu'un au portail qui était venu chercher Baba, Brahma Baba,
Baba is having his lunch.
et quelqu'un leur a
Wait
dit,
for some time.
vous allez
And
devoir
then
attendre parce que Brahma
one
Baba
brother
prend son,
went from the back door
son dîner. Et quelqu'un est arrivé
getting the
par la
stay
porte en
order.
arrière.
And police was asking again and again, कि और कितना time लगेगा? How much time more? And
Combien de
this
temps?
brother
Combien de
is
temps?
saying he is old. Our Baba is very old. He takes time to eat the lunch. He will come down.
Notre Baba est très
And
vieux et
in
ça va prendre
that
du temps
time, the
parce qu'il
brother
prend
went
son
forward,
lunch.
brought the stay order and gave it to police. And police was very irritated because he felt that he was cheated. And this brother was very happy because he thought that he saved Brahma Baba from going to the police station. And he narrated entire story to Brahma Baba. But what Baba said is something different. Baba said कि
Baba a dit,
आत्मबल नहीं है. he was not having the power of the soul. अगर तुम्हारे अंदर आत्मबल होता तो तुम ये नहीं करते. You could have told them the truth that he is the medium of Almighty Shiv Baba and he is giving the knowledge through Brahma Baba and we all are
Il
his
dit, tu
children.
aurais pu lui dire la vérité, que j'étais le médium et j'étais en train de donner la connaissance à travers le véhicule que je suis.
Told that brother. So I
Et
was
Brahma
just
Baba,
having
c'est ce que Brahma Baba a
myself in
dit.
that brother's position.
Et il me dit,
I
si
would
j'avais
also
été
do the
lui-même,
same thing to
j'aurais
you.
probablement fait la même chose
So I'm giving you
pour,
these examples to make you think
pour
that why
pour protéger Brahma
make a
Baba.
choice when we know the power of truth.
Quand on connaît le
Why
pouvoir de la
make a
vérité,
choice
pourquoi faire
to
le
go
choix
away from the truthfulness?
de s'éloigner de la
Even in
vérité,
percentagely,
même dans un pourcentage,
because my subconscious mind or my intellect tells me कि
parce
at
que
this
mon
moment this is
intellect
the
ou
right
mon
thing to do.
subconscient me dit que c'est la bonne chose à faire.
At that moment,
Et à ce
if I
moment-là,
am aware,
si je suis
if I am aware
conscient,
at that moment
à
that
ce
truth
moment-là,
is the power and
que la
I can
vérité,
say
c'est le pouvoir,
truth shall set you free.
alors la
If you
vérité
remain
nous
powerful
libère.
follow the path of
Et si
truthfulness,
on
that should
suit
be
le
there in my
pouvoir de la
conscious mind,
vérité,
and I should have faith in these statements.
et ça devrait nous
Then
rendre
only
libres, et on doit avoir la foi
I
dans
will be using
dans
that
ces faits.
truthfulness in
Et
that
c'est ainsi que je vais voir,
because I have seen in life when such situations comes in our life,
j'ai vu cela dans notre vie, quand cela se passe,
tend to go away from the power of truthfulness.
les gens s'éloignent de la vérité.
Some people are able to stick to the
Pourquoi
values of
certaines
truthfulness
personnes
and some
peuvent
people are
rester,
not?
euh,
It's because
peuvent
their powers
rester,
are different. Their soul power is different.
leur pouvoir est différent.
I'm using the word soul power or the Om power. My word is Om power. Om has got three letters AUM. A for awareness, U for understanding, and M for might. A for awareness, U for understanding, and M for might. All of us have different Om power at different time of the day.
Le pouvoir de Om.
Our awareness is different, understanding is different, and our might is different, depending upon our Om power. Om is the word for the soul they use in India. So,
Om, ça veut dire âme en Inde.
power is,
Le pouvoir de
I will
l'âme
stick to
est,
the value of truthfulness.
je vais rester en lien avec mon pouvoir de
To be
vérité.
truthful, 100% is a complete stage, and only God is true
Seul Dieu est vrai,
all the time.
tout le
Rest,
temps.
all the other souls
Toutes les
are
autres
not
âmes
100%,
ne le
but
sont pas
we are on a
100%,
journey to be 100% truth.
mais on est
I
sur
remember once Dr.
on
Ashok
est
Mehta is
dans
also
un
there.
voyage spirituel.
He shared with me one very beautiful experience with Dadi Prakashmani. Dadi Prakashmani said to him that she has never lied throughout her life, and that is
Prakash Mani lui avait dit qu'il n'avait jamais
I could not believe his statement that a soul is there at the end of Kali Yuga, of course in confluence age, but she could say with
elle pouvait dire
confidence
avec
that she has
foi et
never lied
confidence qu'elle n'avait
throughout
jamais
her life.
menti de toute
And
sa
that
vie.
is what the power is. And
Et
I
c'est
saw
cela
the
le
power of
pouvoir.
Dadi Prakashmani.
Et j'ai vu le pouvoir de Dadi
All
Prakash
the
Mani.
legal sustenance from Dadi Prakashmani, they know her power. I will just share one incident with you. I was working in Global Hospital Mount Abu.
Une fois, j'ai été à Global Hospital à Mount Abu,
1998.
c'est en
I was doing night
1998,
duties.
et je faisais le chiffre de
Why
nuit.
night duties? Because we
Et
were
pourquoi?
co-doctor in Global Hospital. Okay, we were four doctors in Global Hospital in Mount Abu. Myself, then Dr. Mahesh, then Dr. Kanak, and Dr. Savita. In those
On était quatre.
Baba
On était quatre.
Ji was
Et le Murli de Baba,
Baba's Murli at
c'est Dadi qui
6:45 a.m. in the morning.
à 6h45 le matin.
Everyone,
Et tout le monde,
everyone wanted to attend Dadi's Murli, so there was fight because
et
the person who was
tout
doing
le
night
monde
duty
voulait.
used to miss Dadi's Murli. And it was a delight to attend the Prakashmani Dadi's Murli at Om Shanti Bhavan. So
Alors, on allait à Om
I
Shanti
decided
Bhavan et
to
on
attend
allait
the Murli.
entendre
So that
Prakashmani
day I
lire le Murli
completed my night
à
duty and I was
6h45.
about to take tea and
J'avais fini mon
coffee,
shift de nuit
but
et j'étais pour aller
it was
dormir,
Diwali.
mais c'était le jour de Diwali.
Dadi used to visit all the places, hospital, Shantivan, Gyan Sarovar,
Et Dadi
Spa. So
visitait.
on that day, Dadi had come to hospital
Elle était venue à
and
l'hôpital.
there is an auditorium on the first floor and everyone ran to catch the front row seat. And I saw Dadi was going in the lift along with Munni Didi and Mohini Ben. And they
Alors,
were
elle
saying,
était
close
avec
the
Moini
gate,
Didi,
Sai
Moini
got
Ben.
slow. Let's close the gate. So I went into the lift. I closed both the doors and I just looked at Dadi Prakashmani. And she was
Et
in,
j'ai pris le
I
livre.
don't know which state.
Je ne sais pas dans quel état elle
I
était,
observed Dadi Prakashmani when
mais
she
avez-vous
was very
déjà
happy.
vu
She used to nod her head, and she was
quand
nodding
elle
her head.
était très heureuse, elle hochait de la tête.
Word
Elle
which
était
Baba uses, kapari khushi.
dans
And
son
she just
monde de
looked at
bonheur,
me in the
Kapari
center of
Kushi.
forehead.
Elle m'a
And
regardé
I
au centre
became
du front
godless. I
et
came out of body and I was
j'ai-
bursting with joy.
j'étais
I shouted
j'étais
Baba,
dans la joie
Baba,
au-delà des
don't
sens.
stop the lift. Let it go. It was a heavy
Et
lift.
je
It was
disais,
moving very slowly.
n'arrête pas le
And then
lift,
after some time, I
continue.
heard a loud noise. Darwaja kholo. Then
Il y
I
avait eu
went
un
to the
bruit de
nearest
water
lift that
polo.
I have to open the door. And then I opened the door, and the effect of that drishti of Dadi Prakashmani I could feel for quite some time. So this was the power of truth. Why I'm sharing with you. When you have such power,
Pourquoi je protège?
this is what you can
Quand on a le
experience.
pouvoir,
So I feel if we have to glorify Baba, if we have to glorify Baba,
on a besoin
then
de glorifier
we have
Baba.
to be aware at all the time that truth is power and truth shall set me free. And
Et
I can
la
do
vérité
what
va
Baba
toujours
has
me
done
libérer.
with this power of truthfulness. Baba never compromised throughout his life.
Baba ne
Baba values
n'a
life
jamais
deeply
compromis.
because Baba had great faith in
Baba a
whatever
toujours
Shiv
eu
Baba has said.
beaucoup
So
de
we
foi dans ce
also
que
have
Shiv Baba
this
disait.
faith in the power of truthfulness. I feel truth is the parent value. In truth, there is everything.
Dans la vérité, il y a
Like God
tout.
is truth,
Comme
God has
Dieu est la
truth.
vérité,
We
Dieu.
have 100% power of truth. We have
Quand on est
everything
tous
in
dans
that.
le pouvoir de vérité, c'est 100%. On a
And
tout.
we become the embodiment of truth. Then
Et on
service
devient
happens automatically
l'incarnation de la
without force and
vérité.
action. So, in today's session, if we are convinced that with truth, power of truth, I will not only able to liberate myself, but many other souls, as Dadi's example.
Avec le pouvoir de vérité, je peux me libérer, mais je peux aussi libérer les
With her
autres.
power of truth,
Avec son pouvoir
she
de
could
vérité,
empower so many BK
elle
teachers.
pouvait nous,
It is her sheer power of truth.
c'est son pouvoir de
Whatever
vérité
this, but I
qui
feel this
pouvait
total
inspirer
power is
les
so powerful.
professeurs.
The realization of self, God, and drama.
C'est la
And with this
réalisation
living
du
embodiment
soi
of
de Dieu
truthfulness, Dadi helped so many souls
et
to
drama.
achieve that
Elle a
stage
aidé beaucoup de gens
that
à
Brahma
atteindre ce
Baba
niveau
has reached.
que Brahma
I
Baba
feel
a atteint.
if we have that faith in the power of truthfulness and if we are aware, then these stages will happen. My experience with this slowly from this, and this is what I share in that source of ultimate living series. before coming to Baba, I was non-believer in God. I was Nastic.
Avant de venir avec
I was
Baba,
born and brought up in an area of Mumbai where
j'étais
right childhood.
un
I have
athée.
seen people killing each other, people hitting police. So I used to think if God is there, why killing? So I never believed in God and total materialistic attitude I was having. But then slowly when I got this knowledge, bhakti of that of Madhavan, I just went there for seeing the hill station. I was not interested in Brahma Kumaris, but something happened.
I think Dr. Sachin,
Sachin, on n'entend plus
I
Sachin.
think he's logged off. I'll just call him. Yeah.
Peut-être qu'on peut dire, ouais.
Am I audible now?
Ouais, maintenant on t'entend Sachin.
Yes,
Ouais.
yes.
Sorry. So when I went to Pandavavan, I
Quand je
just
suis allée à
went there
Pandavavan,
to roam around the hill station. But when I saw that Krishna, which is there on the gate of Pandavavan, it acted as a password for me. That even just looking at that Krishna statue of Krishna,
juste en regardant la statue de Krishna,
I thought that
toutes mes images ont été activées.
many times. We call this
Elle
age
dit,
of
je suis venue ici.
a phenomena of familiarity. I had been to this place many times and I started recollecting all the buildings.
Et je me
But
suis
this was my
venue de
first
tous les...
experience.
Et c'est la première
Then
fois que
said,
j'étais
"अरे,
là,
ये कुछ
mais
तो अलग ही है. This is something different. My 7 days course is done by our Adarniya Shilu Didi. And then rest is it's a big story. But why I'm sharing with you this?
pourquoi je vous parle de cela?
Inside your consciousness.
Quand il y a quelque chose qui bouge dans votre conscience, vous faites le choix.
I was getting admission in post graduation. I changed my decision to go for MD because I realized there is very short time. So I did not go for MD. I did not go for USMLE to settle in US. I said I will work for Baba Seva only. And I
Je
kept a
faire du
target
service pour Baba.
of becoming complete. In those days, it was a lot of nasha. Abhi bhi hai nasha. Still there is a lot of intoxication, but I have not reached that stage. But what I'm saying, my
Ce
transformation.
que je dis, c'est que ma transformation s'est passée.
Number one, I realize self-awareness is the key. With
La conscience du
self-awareness
soi, c'est la clé.
comes self-understanding.
Il y a
I
la
started
compréhension du
understanding
soi.
myself. With
Je me comprenais.
self-understanding, I started accepting
La
with
compréhension du soi, la
self-awareness
connaissance du
to
soi,
self-respect. And with self-respect, I have seen this transformation. So these are the 5 stages of transformation I have realized in my life. Self-awareness, self-understanding, self-acceptance, self-respect, and then self-transformation. So with this point of self-respect that I am the divine child of God, I am originally pure. This
je suis
power
enfant de Dieu, je suis originellement pur
obstacles which came in my life, BK life, and
et j'ai
here
pu
I am
faire face à beaucoup de
sharing with you
situations.
this. I think it's 9:45, so I'm stopping here. If
Et
you
je
have
vais
any
m'arrêter
questions,
maintenant.
you can
Si vous
ask.
avez des questions, vous
Thank you
pouvez
very
poser des
much.
questions. Merci beaucoup.
Okay, thank you, Brother Sachin. So, I mean, at least though we are not able to see you, but we're able to listen to your elevated sharings and fantastic words of wisdom on
De tes
truthfulness.
paroles,
I'll just take
sagesse
one
sur
question.
moi.
We have few minutes for questions. The first question is, it is said, I don't know whether you agree, a harmful truth is better than a useful lie. Do you agree?
Quelque chose, un mauvais,
Depends on the situation.
ça dépend de la situation.
Because I am a doctor, why I'm doing this? See, some of my thoughts may not be gelled with Brahma Kumari philosophy.
Mes, mes pensées,
But you know what we are facing in our daily practice. मेरे सामने patient आते हैं. He is having a and he is not able to face the truth.
il ne
So
peut pas
मैं
faire
उनको
face à la
पूरा नहीं
vérité.
बताऊंगा कि he is there as per our allopathic science. He is not quite some time.
Et il
I
fait,
will tell him that yes, come out of it because I have seen miracles in my life. Earlier,
alors, il dit que c'est
I was
difficile
in
à être
Morandi
toujours,
hospital.
d'être
But
toujours
he
possible
had a cancer.
d'être.
Liver cancer is very fast spreading, but this lady survived for 10 years. तो मैंने उसको पूछा कैसे जिंदा हो?
C'est très difficile parfois de faire la part des choses entre un patient qui a besoin de la vérité et un patient à qui on ne peut pas dire la vérité.
Miracles in my life, so I never give what allopathy says. According to allopathy, is not more than 3 months. So
Alors,
I am
il
very
parle,
optimistic. So मैं उनको कहता हूँ, yes, there is a issue, but yes, it can be revealed. So I am not speaking truth at that. है कि मैं सच नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I know speaking truth. But my intention is that वो patient should not lose faith or power or in the belief of believing. That time I'm using conscious. That's why I said it depends on the situation. So that is my
alors, ça dépend toujours de la situation.
Yes, perfect. So I think I'll just take one question from the chat box.
C'est une question du chat.
Someone lies to us,
Si
can
quelqu'un
we
nous
still
ment,
believe that person
est-ce
on
qu'on peut
behalf of some
encore,
other person?
est-ce qu'on peut encore croire cette personne et lui faire confiance?
Behave same, which means will my behavior change because I now know that he's lying to me. So will my
Si
behavior
je sais,
towards him change after that, or should it change?
see the fundamental of spirituality is what other person is doing is none of your business. Is none of your business. What other is thinking, speaking, or doing, you do not have any control. You have control over what you think, what you speak, and what you do. So keep control to yourself. I same similar question was asked to the Sushma Didi also in last time. है ना? So what other person is doing, none of my business. I will stay in the consciousness of purity. मैं मेरे स्टेज से नीचे नहीं आओ. If someone displacing me from soul consciousness or my higher stage, it is my weakness. I should not get influenced by other person's stage.
je ne dois
If
pas être
I
influencé
change,
par les autres.
then
Si je
other person
change,
is very powerfully shifting me from my highest stage of truthfulness. That's what I believe.
et quelqu'un me retire de mon,
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. And I would now like to request our
de ma
senior leader
vérité.
with us, Dr. Ashok Mehta, and also Sister Claudia.
I think I'll request Dr. Sachin Bhai to open your video when you're not speaking. At least we'll see you when we are giving the vote of thanks. Maybe you can switch on your video.
On peut vous voir, mais si vous ne parlez pas, au moins on va vous voir. Alors, Dr. Mehta,
Dr. Sachin Bhai. Unfortunately, he's far away from the right place where he should have been today. He should have been in Bombay. I'm aware of his
je
outstanding
suis,
speaking ability, and as a matter of fact, I listen every day to him in the morning about his
je lui écoute
and
de son baratage sur les merlus.
I've known him for I think more than 20 years now.
Et ça fait maintenant plus de 20 ans.
Claudia, sorry to interrupt. You are out of translation room, so we all can hear. Because we'll invite you for vote of thanks. Sorry, yes, Dr. Mehta, please continue.
Ok, continue, Dr. Mehta.
I sometimes feel that we have missed his power of his presentation and power of his speech because of the interruptions.
Les interruptions,
Very, very clearly.
on ne pouvait pas toujours bien entendre.
I'm very fond of him. I think he's a very classical symbol of a intelligent doctor who has
C'est un docteur intelligent qui a été amené à la connaissance.
and in his life as well as in his presentations.
Il a toujours donné beaucoup de spiritualité dans sa vie. Et ceux qui écoutent les Morley et qui veulent écouter, vous devez entendre ces Morley sur le YouTube.
Sachin Bhai is dedicated to de-addiction program and is traveling across the country.
Et c'est un programme sur les dépendances.
He's almost 25 days outside Mumbai, and it's quite a strenuous thing to
Et
travel in the country.
25 jours sur 30, il n'est pas à la maison.
Railways and live in places that are difficult to live. Like just now he said he traveled last night from Gujarat to Kolhapur, and Kolhapur has obviously some deficiency as far as the internet is concerned. And I'm sure that living conditions are different in different parts of the country. So his dedication and
Et il est très dédié et sa vérité, ses qualités extraordinaires. Et plus je le connais, plus je l'aime. Je pense que tu fais beaucoup sur les dépendances et c'est de belles conférences sur Gita qui nous aident à s'ouvrir les yeux, ouvrir les yeux de plusieurs d'entre nous. Alors, on pourrait l'entendre ailleurs, sur d'autres chaînes, d'autres moments. Parce que l'expérience de ce matin n'est pas
so many things, so many beautiful things. Congratulations and best wishes. Thank you.
Merci, félicitations. Alors aujourd'hui, le son ne rendait pas compte de ses talents de conférencier. Alors, si vous voulez l'écouter sur YouTube ou ailleurs, il parle de Murli. Il parle avec un rassemblement Gita. Je pense que c'est Geeta. Je ne l'ai jamais entendu. Et quand il y a beaucoup de mots qui sont en... Je n'ai pas beaucoup entendu ce que tu disais parce que tu parlais beaucoup en hindi, mais c'était très intéressant de t'entendre parler malgré tout. Par exemple, quand il y avait des exemples, alors il y a des gens qui parfois... Alors, il t'a quand même donné des exemples. J'ai compris l'exemple. Et ça va bien aller finalement. Donner des exemples qui étaient très, très précis de ce que c'est avoir une vie facile, une vie sans soucis. Alors, merci beaucoup. C'est sûr qu'il y avait... L'Internet, c'était pas très bien, mais on te remercie beaucoup. Alors, voici les annonces.
So, as all of you know that this weekend, this Saturday and Sunday, we are doing 3 programs. So,
et dimanche, nous allons faire 3 programmes. OK, alors voici. Oui. Les annonces. Oh, ça s'est grandi, je pense. Mahatma Gandhi, ce sera demain matin. Ou demain matin. Et ce sera alors, c'est allé. Et pour le 26, c'est Santosh. Et c'est l'explication. Mahashivratri. Ce sera le dimanche le 26.
also will be going in March as well. All the sisters and brothers celebrate the festival for almost a month. So tomorrow evening time for India and morning time for the West Coast, US and Canada, we'll be having the spiritual significance of this
Alors, ce sera le
festival.
26,
As
donc
Dr.
demain
Rania was sharing
à
in
10 heures.
Didi talk, I didn't go in the details of what
Ça
all
va
those things mean because
Mahashivratri.
will be doing a much more better job than me in all this because she's a senior Raj Yogi teacher and is serving the entire Baltic countries, Russia.
Et elle est en Russie,
and the
donc
CIS.
c'est
So
Santosh.
please join for that as well. And moving on to the next
Et
session,
pour mars,
the
le
6th
4
it is
mars,
yet to come. So it is the next one, greatness.
et ce sera sur
Souls
la
of
grandeur.
dear senior, very, very senior, Sudesh Didi, who's the European
Alors,
director.
Sudesh va être là
In conversation with her will be Sister Moira,
et il y
who's
aura une
the director of all the
conversation
Bengal
avec
centers in
Moira
Argentina. So we
en
would request all of you all
Argentine.
to join. It will be a fantastic conversation.
Alors,
The
ce sera une
next
magnifique
session is on 4th
conversation
of March.
et ce
Same
sera
timings,
pour
we'll be again emailing
le,
you and WhatsApping you as well.
le jubilé de diamant.
And today's whatever Dr. Sachin has shared, we'll be also sending that as a synopsis in the emails to you.
Et ce que Sachin a
Today's the workshop. After that will be
et
what we call the
l'atelier
special Diamond Jubilee workshop. We'll be
qui
having
sera
Brother Ash
encore
Patel. Again,
Ash,
another beautiful
Ash
soul
Patel.
of Baba, I must say. Fully in service at the GRC, Global Retreat Center in Oxford. All
Alors,
of
il
you
est
will
à
know
Oxford.
Sister Gopi Patel, they are a Lokik brother and sister, and even Brother Ash really shares beautifully.
Ash et Bobby.
So he'll be for the first time on our
Il viendra pour la première fois et ce sera la,
and this is our elegant calendar. Sister Kosha
l'atelier.
always gets it done. A big thanks to her. Again, we'll be rolling out all these to you in the emails.
Alors, on aura ça bientôt. Alors, Ish, puis la prochaine, ce sera l'abondance avec Aruna le 18.
All these workshops are available on omshanti.tk/workshop.
Et voici tout, si vous voulez recevoir tout ce qu'il y a à recevoir, voici les via ça, puis Vancouver. Alors, vous pouvez alors, si vous voulez communiquer, Sachin va nous faire la méditation. Alors, écoutons la méditation.
I think we can take the picture too.
Yeah, you can take the picture first because his video is on.
Everyone,
Voilà
please open
la
the video.
photo.
And I must say, we don't have time, but yeah, so much we want to appreciate. Thank you, Dr. Sachin Parab. You really motivated us to be 100% truthful. Truthfulness is powerfulness, and how we feel not comfortable when we lie. Thank you so much. So everyone ready to shine with your truthfulness as we take the picture. We got it, and we'll share the photo with all. Once again, thank you, Dr. Sachin, and we'll look forward to your meditation.
Alors, voici la méditation.
Sorry to request you to switch off your video. And then I'll play some music. Yeah, thanks.
It's good that my video is getting switched off so that you hear Akashvani only. Baba ne kaha chitra ko yaad nahi karna hai. No chitra, only vichitra. So that is happening automatically. So just a quick review about what I have shared. What I feel is that truth is power, and anytime I feel powerless, I am shifted away from truthfulness. Truth shall set you free. If I am following the value of truthfulness, I will be free all the time, free and flying. So that where the take home, and everyone has a choice every moment. So if I'm aware in the moment, I'll make a right choice. So we'll start our meditation on truthfulness. Become aware of yourself and your surrounding.
Vous devenez tranquillement conscient de l'extérieur. On est toujours conscient de l'extérieur.
Catch
On
the
sent.
sounds. But but not getting affected by those sounds.
On se détache des sons du monde
Slowly
extérieur
focus your entire attention on your
et
physical
on
body.
tourne l'attention
Feel your physical
vers
body
l'intérieur.
and allow it to relax.
On sent le
Relax and let
corps
go.
et on le laisse aller.
As I allow my body to go in a state of deep relaxation, my energy started focusing automatically in the center of the forehead.
Et je me concentre sur le point au centre du front.
I realize myself as a beautiful,
Moi l'âme, je suis l'enfant de Dieu, l'autorité toute puissante.
potentially very powerful. I'm
Moi,
combined with
l'âme, je suis maître à l'autorité toute puissante. Et je suis combiné
Almighty
avec l'autorité toute
power of
puissante. Et l'autorité toute puissante,
I'm feeling this power of I have deep faith
j'ai
in
une foi profonde dans l'âme
and this power of truthness.
et ce pouvoir de vérité qui m'habite.
I know intuitively that with this power of truthfulness,
Et le
my
pouvoir de la vérité
certain
m'amène toujours à la victoire.
I'm aware of myself and the choices which I make at every second. Every second and in every moment
À tout
when I
moment,
interact with people
quand j'interagis avec les âmes
throughout the day,
durant la journée,
I will be reminding myself about this power of truthfulness.
je me souviens du pouvoir de la vérité qui m'habite.
Even if there are pressures from outside, from other people,
Même s'il y a de la pression
me
de l'extérieur qui essaie de
go away from the
m'influencer
power of truthfulness.
et qui m'attire loin de mon pouvoir de vérité.
I consciously remind myself that Almighty is
Consciemment,
all the time.
je me souviens que ce pouvoir de vérité est toujours
His
avec moi dans la
powers are
compagnie du
in
Père.
and only the power of truthfulness.
Et ce
I
pouvoir de
can be
vérité
free,
me
I
libère.
can be peaceful, and I can be blissful.
Il me rend joyeux et paisible. Je suis sans souci quand je suis dans la vérité.
My subconscious mind has accepted this thought that come what may, I will never compromise on the power of truthfulness.
Et
I
jamais, je
even
demeurerai toujours,
strive for the power of truthfulness.
je reste intègre pour ce pouvoir de vérité.
Baba is filling me with the power of truth.
Baba m'emplit de ce pouvoir de vérité.
My confidence in the power of truth is increasing day by day.
Et ma confiance dans le pouvoir de la
Every day
vérité
and in every way.
augmente toujours,
I'm feeling
tous les jours,
powerful with this power of truthfulness.
et je sens que je me sens,
All the
je sens
people
ce pouvoir de vérité
with
m'emplir,
whom I interact,
et toutes les
they
âmes avec
are
lesquelles
feeling this power
j'ai
of
interagi
truthfulness.
sentent aussi
They
ce
are
pouvoir de
also
vérité
motivated by this power of truthfulness.
et sont aussi motivés par ce pouvoir de vérité.
I only attract truthful beings in my life. With this power of truthfulness,
Avec le pouvoir de la vérité,
very light.
je me sens léger, légère.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti,
And Shanti.
Shanti.
Om Shanti. Thank you so much, Dr. Sachin Parab. If you can just put on your video as well. And I think Anu's sister, there was a problem with because the bandwidth he was getting affected. So we had to switch off the videos. So if I can request the settings to be changed to, all of you can just switch on your videos and we'll just take
No,
a quick.
did you change the setting to disable? video?
Sister Shruti told me that she had done it, so therefore people weren't able to put on their videos. It's okay, we'll just take one more photo. I think hope
People
Sachin
switched on, all of the people switched on, but never mind,
Okay.
yes. Take one more.
Vijay
whoever-
Bhai, hope he's there because he was the one who was saying he's not being able to. So anyway, so it's all drama. So done.
Is Vijay Bhai there? Then we take
That's
one
what
more.
I'm trying to search him. He's not there. Okay, anyway, no worries. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, we have taken the photo. Thank you so
Thank you so much, Sachin Bhai. Thank you for your participation. Thank you all.
Bye now.